Welcome to Hey Dr. Sue. So people submit their sex questions to me anonymously, and once a week I post one question and one answer. Do you have a sex question you've always wanted answered? Go ahead and check out the description for information on how to submit it anonymously. This week's question is there evidence or correlation between a risk of colon cancer and prostate cancer with anal sex? There does not seem to be a link between anal sex and colon cancer or anal sex and prostate cancer, but there is a link between anal sex and anal cancer. When it comes to cancer, we need to be pretty specific about where on the body we're talking about. And although the colon, rectum, and anus are connected, they're different, and the cancers that impact them are also different. Some of the risk factors for colorectal cancer are the same risk for many types of cancer, including being older, being obese, smoking, and alcohol use. More specific risk factors for colorectal cancer include a family history of colorectal cancer or polyps. For prostate cancer, the risk factors are being older, having a family history of prostate cancer, and one's race. The risk between anal sex and cancer comes into play when we talk about anal sex. Anal cancer can be caused by the human papillomavirus, which we commonly call HPV. While we often talk about HPV and its link to cervical cancer, HPV has also been linked to anal cancer, throat cancer, and penile cancer. While anal cancer is not the most common of cancers, less than 1% of all new cancer cases a year, the number of people who've been diagnosed with anal cancer and the number of people who've died from it have been increasing pretty steadily over the last decade. So how can you protect yourself from HPV and the cancers that are associated with it? Barriers like internal and external condoms can help prevent you from contracting HPV. If you're engaging in oral sex or oral anal contact, then dental dams can be helpful. You may also want to consider getting the HPV vaccine if you haven't already done so. It's approved for folks between the ages of 9 and 45. There's a link in the description of the video for a website that you can go to learn more about the vaccine. Until next time, be safe and have fun. Did you like that video? Check out the description to find out about other ways to contact me, including Instagram, Twitter, and Substack. And remember to like and subscribe.